What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to export a video with a transparent background using After Effects. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. In this project I have created a simple text layer. You can toggle the background on and off in your preview when selecting this Toggle Transparency Grid option. This will help you find out if you have a transparent background or not. When this is done, select to export the project. Navigate to File, Export, Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue or Add to Render Queue, depending on what you prefer to use. In this example, I will export it using After Effects. In your render queue, you can leave the render settings to their default values or change them if you want. In your output settings, make sure to set the video output channels option to RGB and alpha. This will make sure that your background will be transparent when exporting the video. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.